Welcome. This virtual recognition is a celebration of our 8th grade students, but also a celebration of all the people that have helped them get to where they are today. Our middle schoolers have had countless family, friends, staff, and relatives who have supported them in their time at Rib Lake Middle School, whether it be helping them with homework, coming to games and events, or being an ear for them to share to. The people watching this have given so much of their time and energy to assist these young adults. Thank you for all of you and all of that you have done for them, and thank you for sharing them with us each day. 8th graders, you made it! At times it seemed to take centuries to get here. At times it seemed like minutes. You've gone through hard times together, and you've shared many good times with one another as well. You've gotten through tough times, assignments and classes, social group changes, and overcome personal obstacles, but you've also shared some amazing times. This virtual recognition is not an apex, but it's a point in time for us to celebrate and reflect on all that you've done and all that you may want to do. In high school, you will have an opportunity to take the very person that you are today and become the person you want to be. Your middle school experience is merely a foundation for you to build and grow upon. How you wish to do that is up to you. Some adults look at middle and high school fondly, some not so much. One thing that most all will say is that it went by fast, and they are right, it truly does. At the time we get busy and forget to stop and realize where we are, and it's not until our lives slow down that we realize what we've missed. Allow yourself this point in time to truly pause and realize how you got here, who you are now, and what is to come for you. I would like to personally congratulate the class of 2024 on having met the middle school standards set forth by the state of Wisconsin and the School Board of Rib Lake, and wish you the very best of luck in your continued journey. Congratulations.